Okay, today I will show you how to change your coolant pretty easily and at the same time to wash the system. So you want to take the little hose off. Of course you have to put some bucket inside under the car. So take the hose off and just let it leak into the bucket. So we let it leak there. Like that. And now we are waiting that the expansion tank is about the minimum mark, and then we are going to take only the water and we start pouring the water in like that. And now we just wait and do the same thing time and time again until we get only the water outside of that little hose. Okay, now you can see that we are getting only the water out the calories. You can see it's basically only water anymore. And now you can start pour your coolant in. But remember to be careful. I have to do it with one hand, so it's not that easy right now, but I start to pour. This is the 100% coolant only now, so it's only coolant, not coolant water mix. So basically a 100% coolant. And now we wait a little bit so that we get the red coolant out of the hose. We do this a couple of times, and then we use the antifreeze tester to test our fluid that it's fine. Yeah, I was have to stop the filming because it was too hard to pour with the one hand, and I was pouring the coolant everywhere. As you can see, it's now it's everywhere. So I have to wash the engine. But now we have done this enough times, so it's pouring only the pink fluid out, and now it's about to max, and I already tested it and it was holding minus 44 degrees of Celsius, so it's more than enough. And these are the easy testers. You can have all kind of the testers, but that is pretty easy. You just put it there and it pulls the fluid in and show you how much it can take. But so that was it. That is easy way to do it in your home, and remember to do it sometimes, because most of the people forgot the whole coolant fluid and it goes bad, like we were having in this car. Oh, I forgot about to mention that when you do it this way, you also won't get the air in the system. So that's the positive side also. So it's very easy thing to do this way. But we see you on next video.